In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change opacity in Canva. If you've ever wanted to soften a dark background, create a clean layered effect, or make text easier to read over an image, adjusting opacity is one of the simplest tools you can use. The good news is that Canva makes this very easy with a built-in transparency control. So you don't need any advanced editing software to get a polished result. To begin, make sure you're inside an active Canva project. A common mistake is looking for editing controls from the main homepage before opening a design. To access the opacity settings, you need to be working inside the actual editor. From the Canva home screen, click Create a Design and choose the format you want, such as a presentation, flyer, or social media post. If you already have a project saved, just open that instead so your design loads into the editing canvas. Once your project is open, find the element you want to make more transparent. This can be almost anything on your page, including an image, a shape, a video, or a text box. Click directly on that item once to select it. When it's selected, you'll see a border appear around it with resizing handles, which confirms that Canva is ready to let you edit that specific layer. Next, move your attention to the toolbar across the top of the editor. On the right side, look for the transparency tool. It usually appears as a small checkerboard style icon, which represents fading or transparency. Click that icon once to open the control. As soon as you do, a small panel will appear with a slider and a number value. By default, most elements are set to 100, which means they are fully visible and completely opaque. To reduce the opacity, click and drag the slider to the left. As you move it, you'll see the element become more transparent in real time, which makes it easy to judge the effect visually. If you want more precision, you can also click in the number field and type a specific value like 50 for a balanced semi-transparent look. After adjusting the opacity, take a moment to review how that element interacts with everything else in your design. For example, if you made a shape transparent so text can sit on top of it more clearly, make sure the text is still easy to read and layered correctly above the faded shape. Once everything looks the way you want, select the transparent element again and use the lock option in the top toolbar to keep it in place and avoid moving it by accident. And that's it. You now know how to change opacity in Canva quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the